Ever wonder why your homemade beef stroganoff never quite tastes like the restaurant version? Or worse, ends up dry and disappointing? Well, today we're tackling that head on. I'm going to show you the precise steps, from perfectly searing your beef to crafting that incredibly rich, velvety sauce, so you can transform humble ingredients into an unforgettable meal every single time. And trust me, it's easier than you think. The secret starts with your beef. We're not just browning it, we're searing it hard to build incredible flavor, creating those delicious browned bits, called fond, that are gold for your sauce. Many home cooks skip this, and that's where the flavor often falls flat. Next, we soften our onions and mushrooms until deeply golden. Patience here is key. Now for the sauce magic. Deglazing with beef broth, stirring up all that flavor from the pan, then incorporating a touch of Dijon mustard and, crucially, high-quality sour cream off the heat to prevent curdling. This precise order and temperature control is what guarantees that luxurious, silky texture you crave, coating every tender piece of beef. It's a simple technique that truly separates good stroganoff from truly great. And there you have it, a mouth-watering beef stroganoff that's bursting with deep, savory flavors, and that signature creamy sauce. Perfect for busy weeknights or impressing guests, and totally beginner-friendly. Want more comfort food classics? Click this video right here.